there are two different ways that buyers can obtain instant financing. They go online and they fill out a little form. Ta-da! You're pre-approved. Fantastic. And this is your range, you know. Or you go to your bank and, well, you've been banking with them forever, the last 20 years, and you've got a great relationship with them. So you absolutely want to use them for your loan. Well, they take their rate that they have based on their rate range, give it to you. You're pre-approved because we know how much money you have. The unfortunate thing is these are national establishments that are designed to churn and burn. They're both selling a product, their product. So if you want to make sure you're getting the best rate, you really do need to work with a broker, because all they do is shop rates. That's all they do. They might have special programs that you qualify for that are designed in-house, because their goal is to hook you up with the best financing so you can get enough house, enough things on your list, and stay within your budget. So, you know, the other thing is with the Arizona pre-qualification form, we're required to submit that at the time we put a contract in. So if we're required to submit that, we need to make sure that it's accurate going into it. In the past or in other states, we work with a lot of relocations, so they might think that this should be enough. They just get a letter from their bank saying that they qualify, or they get a little printout from online saying they qualify. But because they haven't actually jumped through the hoops and obtained a lot of documentation, they might not qualify. So Arizona put that little fail-safe in there so that our clients and the consumer on both sides is protected. So make sure you're educating your clients on the importance of understanding all of their options and helping them see why they should take those extra steps. It's just going to make you look good in the long run. So definitely take that time to do it.